In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Fivem Steam hex ID in just 5 minutes. First, make sure you have the Steam application installed on your computer. Once that's set up, go ahead and open the Steam app. You'll see the login screen as the application loads. Now click on the login button to access your account. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your account name and password in the provided fields. Be sure to double check your login credentials for accuracy, then proceed by clicking sign in. With your login complete, you'll be directed to your Steam homepage. This page houses all the games and content tied to your Steam account. Look towards the upper part of your screen and find your profile name. It should be located at the top right corner. Clicking on your profile name will present a drop-down menu. From here, select View My Profile. This next step will take you to your personal profile page. Once you're on your profile page, search for the Edit Profile button, usually located towards the top right. This will open a new interface where you can manage your account settings. Here, underneath the Custom URL section, you'll see your Steam ID URL. This URL is a unique identifier for your profile and is crucial for deriving your hex ID. Simply create using the right-click method or Ctrl+C to copy this URL for the next step. Open a new window in your web browser and navigate to a Steam ID Finder tool. One commonly used tool is steamid.pro, but any reliable Steam ID lookup website will do the trick. Once on the Steam ID Finder website, paste the URL you copied from the custom URL section of your profile. Just press Ctrl+V to paste and make sure everything pasted correctly. After pasting your Steam ID URL, locate the lookup button on the website. Click this button to process your profile information. The tool will work to find the associated data for your account, including the hex ID that Fivem uses. Once the results are displayed, you'll see various types of information about your Steam account. Among these details, look for the Fivem hex ID. It's typically formatted as a string of letters and numbers beginning with Steam, followed by a set of alphanumeric characters. This is the ID you are looking for. To finish, copy this ID using the same right-click method or Command+C for Mac users, and there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully acquired your Fivem Steam hex ID. This ID will be essential for a variety of tasks within the Fivem platform, from joining servers to modding. Make sure to store this information in a safe place for future reference. Thanks for tuning in and happy gaming. P.